Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating a unit out of a 1968 Mercury Monterey. This is from Tim in Rockwall, Texas. He's requested FM conversion and a few other little odds and ends, so let's go ahead and turn her on and make sure everything works.
Has expanded a renovation project of the I-40 Meteor.
Okay, first thing I'll do is run down the dial, make sure we pick up some FM stations here.
Tied to Governor Doug Ducey ending his state.
I know, Bill, you said you heard from two this morning. See
the conversation, you candidate.
Property, now you must keep timid. You've made that's what you're
100-yard ranges. 102 in the Verde Valley.
I don't know the phone number.
Limbaugh shows.
Report.
Let's hear it.
You know the winter.
Please contact YC.
Okay, pretty typical performance, about 30, 31, 32 FM stations. Let's go ahead and check the presets.
Local business.
I saw it was raining. It was.
And needless to say, I preset these for stations in my area just to make sure that part works. Let's go ahead and demonstrate the, here's our left-right balance control. Let's bring our output level meters in the picture. Left-right balance. All the way left, all the way right. Okay, we're going to test the virtual front-rear fader, which we do with our tone control.
Fader adjust.
Okay. Okay, front, rear, rear. Okay. Fader set. Okay, let's test the AM. Make sure we pick up the 3 AM stations I get in this area. Might need to mess with my antenna a little bit.
From the formerly blue state of...
Yeah, my antenna definitely needs work. Okay, let's try the other antenna, which doesn't pick up as well, but...
He has played the role of prophet in the sense of...
Let's try this antenna again.
And the future. Don't get it right.
Well, I'm just not having very good luck with AM today.
Down business.
There we are.
This is all true.
Okay, well, I guess my weakest AM station is not going to come in today. That's not too unusual. All right, so let's go back to FM.
I don't want to carry this.
And we're going to test make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We don't need these meters anymore. Okay, we'll see if we can go into pairing mode on the Bluetooth. Let's get a little... There we go. Okay. Try this again. There we go. It can be a little tricky to activate, but it does activate, as you can see. Let's test the USB reader. Make sure it plays my radio commercial. Okay. Okay, pull our stick out, and the radio comes right back. Let's test the aux input. Just a quick tone. One side, other side, and now there'll be a 20-second delay before the radio comes back on. If you don't like that delay, just turn it off. Turn it right back on, and the radio comes right back on. So that takes care of that. Everything's working as it should. My AM reception is not all that great today, which is not too unusual for this area. It is the weakest station that is not picking up today. So let's make sure the dial light is okay. And it is. You can see the dial light flashing on and off in response to my command. So she's ready to go. I'm ready to get on to the next job. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And needless to say, if you have an 8-track player either for home or for car use, you can reach me directly at 928-533-9666. I also do conversions on classic car radios. This was already an AM/FM radio, but now it is a much more powerful AM/FM radio. So my website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and we'll see you guys next time.